Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and today it happens to be VLDR, which also happens to be the trade of the week. And this has really reacted well. EV play, of course. I think it had some, I don't know if it had some specific news today about it, but anyway, the trade of the week was sent out before the market opens every Monday morning, and the trigger was 1463. And so you can see it did trigger. In other words, the suggested entry was 1463. It pulled back a little bit. You could have got in at 1482, if you missed it. Trades of the week are designed not for, intraday holds. I mean, you can trade it any way you want, of course, but, you can't get too hung up if you miss it by 10 or 15 cents. They are designed for longer term holds. And you can see exactly why it was picked as the trade of the week. You can see that, if it can really, really get going, it has a shot to get up to this 20 level. So a lot has to do, of course, with the sentiment of the EV sector, electric vehicle sector, which it's part of. And so anyway, the trade of the week, definitely performing so far. You can trade it any way you want. If you got in at 1463 and it popped up almost a dollar for you, you can take some out. But in this market, I'm sort of I'm of the mindset of taking money when you can. I'm not convinced that swinging is great, but right now, certainly the VLDR is looking really good. So that is the trade of the week, and it happens to be also the stock of the day. So I want to shut this down. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address, and this is the link for the free room. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.